Hello again, bright minds! Are you ready for another alphabet adventure? Today we'll learn
D, E, F. Let's begin. Look, friends, this is the letter D. D. Can you trace the letter D with your finger? Wonderful!
Look, friends! D is for dog. Can you say dog?
Fantastic!
Look, friends! D is for duck.
Quack, quack.
Can you say duck?
Amazing! You said duck. Look, friends. D is for drum. Listen to the drum. Can you clap with the drum? Wonderful clapping!
Let's remember our D words. Dog, duck, drum. Dog, duck, and drum.
Fantastic! Great job learning the letter D. Now let's meet the letter E. E. Can you trace the letter E with your finger? Excellent! You made the letter E.
Look, friends. E is for elephant. Can you say elephant? Wonderful!
You said elephant. Look, friends. E is for egg. Cheap egg. Can you say egg? Wonderful! You said... Look, friends. E is for engine. Engine. Can you say engine? Excellent! You said engine.
Let's remember our E words. Point to the elephant. Elephant. Point to the egg. Point to the engine.
Fantastic!
Great job learning the letter E. Now let's meet the letter F. Can you trace the letter F with your finger?
Fantastic! You made the letter F.
Look, friends. F is for
Fish.
Can you say fish?
Wonderful! You said fish.
Look, friends. F is for flower.
Flower.
Can you say flower?
Beautiful! You said flower.
Look, friends. F is for
Frog.
Can you say frog?
Ribbit. Fantastic!
Let's remember our F words. Point to the fish.
Fish.
Point to the flower.
Flower.
Point to the frog.
Frog. Fish, flower, and frog. Fantastic!
Great job, bright minds! Today we learned D, E, F, egg and engine. F is for in frog.
Hooray! Let's review.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Hooray! Let's keep learning together. Wow! You did an amazing job today. We learned D and F together. Keep smiling and keep learning every day.
Parents, thank you for learning with us today. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fun adventures.
We'll see you in episode 4.